Hi folks, I'm Miriam Jouar with Hot Hardware. I'm here at CES 2026 with the Samsung Galaxy Z TriFold, the phone that folds twice. Let's check it out. So I want to give you a quick look at this device. This is essentially pretty much a Z Fold 7 with an extra panel. And this middle panel right here is 4.2 millimeters thick. And it's about the same thickness as the Z Fold 7. This panel here is 3.9 millimeters thin, so it's pretty thin. And then the panel with the camera is 4 millimeters thin. So overall, this is a little chunky when closed, as you can see here, but it's not bad. It feels much lighter and thinner than I expected, considering I'm used to using a lot of really thin folding phones. So yeah, this is quite amazing in hand. A lot more impressive than all the videos I've watched and everything else. The other thing to keep in mind is, when it's closed like this, it's a standard 6.5-inch display, 1080p, what you'd expect pretty much. Then you open it up and you get 10 inches of real estate. So that's, where it gets really, really interesting. In terms of cameras and specs and all that stuff, it's basically the same as before as Z Fold 7. This is the same camera system. You have a 12 megapixel ultra wide, you have a 200 megapixel main sensor, and you have a 10 megapixel 3x telephoto. Nothing too crazy here. It's also the same specs in terms of processor. You've got a Snapdragon 8 Elite in here, not an 8 Elite Gen 5. This is not the latest chip. And in terms of storage and RAM, comes with 16 gigabytes of RAM and either 512 gigs of storage or 1 terabyte of storage. So, that's the two options. Obviously, we don't know anything about pricing or availability for the US at this point as I'm recording this video. We have a rough idea of the price abroad. It's already sold in Dubai, in China, in Korea. You can import it already from some vendors, but it's not officially available in North America yet. It's coming though, and the price should be around 2,500 US dollars, maybe a little more than that, but definitely less than 3,000. That's kind of what we're expecting right now, all right? So other things to note, there is a SIM tray, so you still get that. The hinge here says Samsung on it, very nice. And you cannot make mistakes folding this. If you try to fold it, this panel here, as you can see, it's complaining and vibrating in my hand saying you can't do that. So I have to fold this panel first and then go like this. That's the only way. So that also means that you can't open this as a square if you want to have it a slightly smaller form factor, if you don't want to do the 10-inch thing. The Huawei TriFold lets you do the 10-inch thing because it folds in a Z shape, not in a V shape, right? So there you go, that's that. So in terms of batteries, there's 5,600 milliamp hours divided up into these three panels, 45 watt wire charging, 15 watt wireless charging. Basically, as I said, think of this as a Z Fold 7 with an extra panel, and when it's open, it's got a bigger screen, right? So, in terms of everything you're used to using on a phone, this is basically your standard Android setup. And of course, this does DeX. And the cool thing about it is that unlike other phones that do DeX, you do not need an external display for this to do DeX. So you can set this up on like a stand, open it up, connect a keyboard and mouse and DeX. And so basically you're doing this kind of laptop experience directly on your phone. And that's one of the things I'd love to explore in our review when we get to that. So stay tuned. Obviously, this is a very exciting product, first of its kind for our market. And I'm really looking forward to trying it out. I'm very excited about this. I'm a big fan of folding phones. And again, this is very technically impressive in person. Obviously, there's a couple of selfie cameras. Those are the same cameras we see on the Z Fold 7. There's a 10 megapixel here in the inner display, and then in the outer display, you get another 10 megapixel camera right here. Nothing unusual there. So yeah, that's a quick look at the Galaxy Z TriFold. This is Samsung's, biggest achievement yet. And honestly, it's a very impressive piece of kit. It's not as heavy as I thought. It's not as thick, even though it's 12.9 millimeters when it's closed. Doesn't feel as chunky as I was expecting. So good news on that front. Galaxy Z TriFold from Samsung, quite the achievement. Very impressive technology here. Very cool. Very excited about this phone. Looking forward to reviewing it, so stay tuned for that. You know how YouTube works. Please like, subscribe, click the bell below, and comment below and let us know what you think of this Galaxy Z TriFold from Samsung, and stay tuned for more videos.